I come from a line of people pleasers and intergenerational dysfunction. I think some can relate to this. And we often make excuses for the people within our lives who do shitty things or maybe have had trauma in the past, and we attribute these behaviors to trauma. And that's not 100% wrong. Yes, traumatic events in our past can cause us to react in certain ways. However, if we know that our reactions are hurtful to other people or even hurtful to ourselves, it is our responsibility to change that. So if you have someone in your life who isn't treating you well and they apologize, but you notice that the same pattern is repeating, they're not making sustainable changes from whatever interaction you've had that caused harm to you, it's time to let that person know. You're not a doormat. You don't have to be. And if that person isn't in a place of willingness to listen and hear you, then it's time to figure out what your limits are and instill some boundaries or take some space from that individual. I've created a video about attunement and what healthy relationships should look like within ourselves and with others. If you want to learn more, check it out here.